Hello ladies and gentlemen, body code fitness wall to my YouTube channel, slim down in just 2 weeks, or best fat burning exercises for women. Discover the ultimate fitness breakthrough designed to ignite your metabolism, sculpt your curves, and boost your confidence. If you're ready to finally see real results, feel stronger every day, and transform your body with proven high-energy fat-burning moves, this is your moment. Let's turn your goals into a glowing, unstoppable reality. Starting today, the first step in this journey is understanding how quickly the body can shift when you give it the right stimulus. 2 weeks isn't about perfection, it's about awakening your system, sharpening your habits, and stepping into a higher level of energy you may have forgotten you had. When you commit to consistent movement, even in a short window, your metabolism begins responding almost immediately. Your heart rate adjusts, your muscles recruit more efficiently, and your body learns to tap into stored fat for fuel. This is where momentum is built, not through pushing yourself to extremes, but through intentional choices repeated day after day. Think of these 14 days as a reset, a strategic push that turns the switch back on. You'll start to feel lighter not just physically but mentally. You'll notice your endurance improving, your posture shifting, your confidence rising with each workout. And as your body adapts, every movement becomes more powerful, more purposeful, more connected to your goals. Stay consistent, stay present, and let these 2 weeks become the spark that changes everything. Before you jump into any fat-burning routine, you need to prepare your body to perform at its best. A warm-up isn't just about moving your joints. It's about signaling your brain, your muscles, and your metabolism that it's time to elevate. Dynamic movements like leg swings, hip openers, arm circles, and light cardio wake up the nervous system and increase blood flow, making every exercise afterward more effective. When your body is properly primed, you burn more calories, move with better form, and reduce your risk of injury, which means you can push harder and stay consistent throughout the entire 2 weeks. Think of your warm-up as the ignition key that turns your engine on. It activates the muscles you're about to challenge, opens up your range of motion, and builds that steady rise in heart rate that sets the tone for fat-burning intensity. When you take these few minutes seriously, the rest of your workout becomes smoother, more efficient, and far more satisfying. And that feeling of readiness, the moment when your body clicks into gear, is where confidence starts to build. Once your body is warmed up and fully switched on, it's time to step into the heart of the workout, the movements that truly accelerate fat loss. High-intensity exercises work because they challenge multiple muscle groups at once, while pushing your heart rate into that powerful fat-burning zone. Squat jumps, mountain climbers, burpees, high knees. These aren't just exercises, they're metabolic boosters. They force your body to use more oxygen, burn more calories, and stay elevated even after you've stopped moving. And the best part is that intensity is personal. It's not about going faster than anyone else, but about giving your best effort in each interval. As you move through these fat-burning rounds, you'll feel your body responding. Core tightening, legs firing, breath deepening. That's the moment where transformation begins. With every rep, you're teaching your body to adapt, to grow stronger, to become more efficient. These short bursts of power also build mental toughness, helping you stay focused and energized across all 14 days. Push with purpose, breathe with control, and let each repetition pull you closer to the results you want. After pushing through those high-intensity bursts, this is where you shift into the kind of training that keeps your metabolism elevated long after the workout ends. Strength work isn't about getting bulky. It's about building supportive lean muscle that helps your body burn more energy throughout the day. Movements like glute bridges, lunges, push-ups, and controlled core exercises create stability, improve posture, and define the natural curves and lines that women often want to highlight. Even light weights or just your body weight can be incredibly effective when you focus on controlled form, and full muscle engagement. As you work through each strength set, you'll notice a different kind of burn, slower, deeper, more targeted. That's your body adapting, recruiting new fibers and becoming more efficient. This combination of strength and intensity creates a powerful synergy that accelerates your results over the next 2 weeks. It's not just about how strong you look, but how strong you feel, steady, capable, grounded. When your muscles are activated and challenged consistently, your confidence grows with every rep, and your metabolism follows. After pushing your body with intensity and strength work, the next phase is just as important. Giving yourself the space to recover. Recovery isn't a break from progress, it's the engine that drives it. When you allow your muscles to repair, your hormones settle into balance, and your nervous system resets, you're setting the foundation for better performance and more efficient fat burning the next day. Women especially benefit from mindful recovery because it supports cortisol regulation, reduces inflammation, and helps maintain consistent energy levels across the entire 2-week plan. Simple routines like slow stretching, deep breathing, light mobility work, or even a gentle walk can signal your body to shift into repair mode. Quality sleep becomes a quiet but powerful tool here. Your metabolism, hunger hormones, and muscle tissue all reset while you rest. When you stack good sleep with smart recovery habits, your workouts feel smoother, your body feels lighter, and your mind feels clearer. Think of recovery as an act of respect toward your body, an intentional pause that strengthens everything you've built so far. Now that your training is set, the final piece that ties everything together is the way you fuel your body. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be intentional, especially when you're aiming for visible change in just 2 weeks. Prioritizing protein helps stabilize your appetite and supports the muscle you're building in every workout. Adding plenty of fiber-rich vegetables keeps you full while improving digestion, and staying hydrated ensures your metabolism functions smoothly. These simple habits work together to keep your energy steady and your cravings under control. Instead of thinking about restriction, think about clarity. Choose whole foods that make you feel energized, grounded, and focused. Reducing processed sugars and refined snacks during this period gives your body the chance to rebalance, helping your hormones work with you instead of against you. Small adjustments, like balanced meals, mindful portions, and consistent hydration, can noticeably shift how you perform and how you look by the end of these 14 days.